Kia ora and welcome to Te Whāriki online workshop. Te Whariki is the New Zealand early childhood curriculum. Here, I'm trying to make it very simple to understand our curriculum by avoiding all the ECE jargons and complicated theories. This is the first series of our Te Whariki workshop. It is pronounced as Te Whariki. I'll be doing another workshop on Maori pronunciation. There I'll be doing it more in detail. People pronounce differently. Some people say Te Whariki, some say Te Whariki. Just in brief, I have it here. So it's T and E makes it Te, WHA makes Fa, RI makes Ri, KI makes Ki. So it is Te Whariki. Just look at here. This is in English. This is English vowel. So when you look at this, it's A, E, I, O, U as an English vowel. But in Maori, which is read it as A, E, O, U. It's A, E, O, U. So T and E became Te. WH is F, WHA is Fa, RI is Ri, KI makes Ki. So it's Te Whariki. Te Whariki is for young children and it is not like a school curriculum. It does not prescribe a formal subject teaching. For example, at school, they have specific time learning. Mathematics, science, arts, etc. Te Whariki weaves everything through play-based curriculum, following children's interest. So this is also known as emergent curriculum because we follow and support children's interest. Children learn when they are interested on something, right? For example, if a child is interested in car, that particular child will be curious to learn the names of the cars, colors of the cars, so counting the cars. So he'll be interested in doing more about cars. So it's all depends upon what your child interested in. Te Whariki curriculum includes much of what a child can experience at home in relation with parents, family, and community. For example, most of us are mothers. Take our child in the scenario. My child feels very special at her house. She feels safe, feel that she is a part of this family. She will be very comfortable to express her feelings through crying to express her she's sad and smile to express happiness. And she'll be comfortable exploring through play and by involving in all the family activities. The same experience my child should be expecting at her childcare. And this is what Te Whariki want to achieve. These things can sometimes be harder to introduce in an early childhood services because of their structure and the large group of children. That's where Trent Tots is special, as we have maximum 4 children at our care at one time. And our pillars are education, fun, well-being, whānau, and culture. Whānau means family. So have a look at this. This is the hard copy of Te Whariki. This curriculum originally published in 1996 and revised in 2017 by the New Zealand Ministry of Education. They haven't changed any content, but they have made it more colorful how it appears now, and also specifically specified how each strands look like for each age group, such as babies, toddlers, and young children. They have also added transition to school. What is it look like in ECE? Look at this part. It is written in English and flipped to the back. It is written in Maori. Te Whariki acknowledge Maori culture and language. Reason behind is because of our Treaty of Waitangi. So that will be briefly discussed on our Maori workshop, okay? Because it's the nature of 2 language, it is called as bicultural document. The meaning of the word Te Whāriki is the woven mat. It weaves the principles and strands together. So have a look at this. So you can see the mat which weaves the strands and principles together. Today we are going to learn what are the principles and strands of Te Whāriki. Te Whāriki sets out 4 broad principles and 5 strands, including number of goals set to achieve the learning outcome for children, which will be discussed in the next workshop.